I'm back. Hello everyone, Bailout here. Been a long time, long time. Thought I'd pop out on a lovely February day. It's hold on, what's the temperature? 12 degrees. So about 8 degrees higher, ignore that range, 8 degrees higher than it has been recently. And I thought I'd park on the wonk in the Morrison's car park and say hello. And I've missed you lot. As you can see, my best reviewed video, or best viewed video, somewhat influenced me, and actually just riding the beast, to buy a ZZR 2013 plate, special edition paint. In my normal sense, I got the cheapest one, which means there is little detailing defects. But that's it. Let's go and have a ride, and hopefully the wind's not too bad. We can hear the audio. This channel is now going to be quality over quantity, instead of before where I was trying to put a video out every week and they were terrible and lots of swearing. We're getting rid of that. We're not like that anymore. We are a sensible human being with a new job that causes less stress. Different stress. Oh, that wind's going to make my audio just crispy, isn't it? Lovely. So as I said, the channel's now going to be more about quality over quantity. So hopefully once a month until I kind of settle into it. Maybe just like that. I'm not going to be one of these people who does like a video every week. Maybe I might have a channel, maybe I do videos every day. Mainly him doing videos, then some joint ones, etc. And that's enough stress as it is. Hopefully I can get some talking in on the slow bits whilst I'm hiding from the wind a little bit. But yeah, it's going to be more reviews, less of the random ranting, stuff like that. Or just a good ride out, show people some trips, little things, you know, bits of this, bits of that. But I will actually start off with a little bit of news. I saw this morning, which is going to date this video a little bit, motorcycles are no longer allowed on the Nürburgring as of today. I believe that to be fact. Hopefully I'm wrong, but really, is it the few that ruined it for the many again? Or because I was hoping at some point, now I've somewhat recovered from the crash I had after I last recorded all that I could at some point eventually get my passport again after losing it to a French official and take a little trip that may have involved the Nürburgring, but now that's basically null and void. Though I will admit I'm not a 100% biker anymore. I'm a good 75, with the 25 being taken up with a daily commute in the car because the wife works at the same place. It's easier. So yeah, if anyone says my driving's or my riding's a little bit jarring, it's very windy, it's a bit greasy, there's mud in a lot of places, and I'm still sort of, I haven't like fully recovered mentally from a crash. So when it's these conditions, I'm less likely to go hooning round. On a bike like this, you can just take for a spin. Even though it's fast as hell. So where are people going to take their bikes now on a big European track? I suppose there's other tracks available. It's not just the Nordschleife or Nordschleife, that one, the North track basically. Well, it's a huge shame, isn't it? Huge shame, because a massive track like that, great place to take your bike. I say we should build one in the UK. Put it around a city that's pretty pointless and just join all the roads up into a nice racetrack. I won't suggest a city, because I've named somewhere I haven't been that's probably actually really nice. But there's got to be one that we can all agree on. Or even a large town. I should have got past him before this. I like this bit, and he's going to put his brakes on. Just you watch. There we go. Normally when it's dry and there's no one in front of me, I'll take that like a stabbed pig. There's one of these farms around here. There's a guy who's got a bunch of old cars in it. He restores them and they're lovely. Hello, piggies! We're looking at videos of cars recently because we bought a new car. And one thing that came up is some people mentioning that different manufacturers put Easter eggs in their car. Yeah, not like the actual chocolates, like little, you know, oh look, here's a picture of a shark, or here's a picture of some bamboo or something. I got caught speeding up there because I thought the 30 started later than it did. So I was slowing down into what I thought was the 30 to find out the 30 started about 10 yards before that. Anyway, and that got me thinking about Easter eggs in video games and biking video games. And are there any Easter eggs in motorcycle video games? You have no idea where you're going. And then I thought, what if there's a video game Easter egg on a motorcycle? And the one that immediately comes to mind is your up, down, left, right, beat A, stop. Now, your left, right, you've got indicators. And on this bike, on a few modern bikes, there's the up and down for your menu. So that's your up, down, left, right, B and A. How do you think about that one? Is that brake accelerator? Could be brake accelerator. Start. I don't really want to press the start button whilst I'm rolling, but I have got select, which was next to start. So would that work as an alternative to find out if this has an Easter egg? Also, well, present from my wife, by the way. Got the bike, she got me that to go on it. So if anyone has any issue with the Bouncy Booby lady, please take it up with her in the comments, because to me it's a present from my wife that puts a smile on my face. Now, testing that theory, I'm going to go with a little bit of up, down, left, right, brake, accelerator, and then when we get on the dual carriageway, I'm going to press select. And that should, if it's going to do anything, reveal an Easter egg. And go. 2, 1. Oh God, what am I doing here?
Bailey, what's going on?
Benson, what are you doing here?
I've been here the whole time, mate.
I was on my bike.
Recording.
Why am I in a game?
Bailey, it's all in your head.
It's all in my head.
You're not a real biker.
I'm not a... How dare you? Look, what am I doing here? What?
You are riding a ZZR triple?
Inline 4.
In Ride 2.
In Ride 2. This will be the only time we touch a game like this, won't it?
Yes.
On our channel. Not this channel, our channel.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh boy.
I was enjoying my tea, suddenly I was here recording with you.
Yeah. Can I actually break a speed limit now? Can I look around? I can just sort of vaguely...
You can't look around, no.
Oh God!
Whee! Oh, can I keep going?
Yeah, fuck it, go on then. Oh, no.
No.
Oh!
Try and recreate it!
Try and recreate a crash, hold on. Whee!
Look at him go!
Oh, penis burn.
That's all anyone watches bikes for.
Annoyingly, yes. Everyone watches for the crashes. I'm in 7th on a ZZR.
They do look at someone on fire. Oh, that was the arrows.
Yeah, that's
I thought someone was on fire.
Oh!
Whee!
And then he just flies back on. It's perfectly fine. Now,
great ragdoll physics in a game where the ragdoll's physics doesn't matter.
Well, they sort of do, because, I mean, your levers hold you in place.
Can you launch yourself off the bike and win a race with your body?
That's a very good question.
If not, I'm disappointed.
I mean, I'm not going to win anyway, because I've got a 7-second penalty on a single lap by the looks of it.
Oh, that's because you're not a good biker.
What was I doing before I rejoined this?
I think you were in a wood somewhere.
I was probably riding through a wood somewhere. Can I overtake some people on the last bit?
This is Benson and Bailey, and our gaming channel is...
The Benson and Bailey Show.
Yes!
Oh, what have you got in your suitcase, Lee? Oh no, I've got a sniper rifle scope mounted on my shotgun, surrounded by 2 fish. Oops. Sorry. All my ammo is surrounded by herbs.
Is this going to be real time? Wait for 200. Oh, fuck me.
All my bullets smell like fish.
Just look at it. 8 inches wide and capable of storing a whopping 80 kilobytes.
Like my dick!
Controlled by our friends at the CIA, the disc
And I've got enough room to put a chicken's egg in it.